Checking.
Check-in.
Las niñas, mi tema. ¿Cómo se dice my team? Equipa? Equipo. Mi equipo. My name's Nick East, and I'm an entrepreneur from London in the UK, and I'm at the Orbita Spanish School. So I'm just leaving a testimonial for Orbita. Before I came to Orbita, I'd been kind of teaching myself Spanish for about a year in the UK. I tried to learn some Spanish when I was in Colombia, but coming here has really opened up everything for me. They've got an amazing curriculum here. It's really simple. You've got book 1, book 2, book 3. You work through the curriculum, and depending on what your level is. The teachers are fantastic. They're just so helpful, so qualified, and it's a really lovely community here. You've got an amazing view. It's a little bit cloudy today, but it's still sunny and hot. And San Pedro is a lovely village. It's quite a large village, but there's lots to do here. And one of the other things I love about this place is that you get to know people here. Like, you do your class during the day. You stay with a local family, or you can stay at the school, and then in the evening I'll go out, I'll go and sit in a bar, I'll sit in a hotel and talk to whoever's working there. Normally they only speak Spanish, so you get to practice your Spanish for free. But coming back to Orbita, I highly recommend Orbita if you're looking to start to learn Spanish, or if you want to improve your Spanish. It's really economical here in Guatemala. It's really safe here in San Pedro. Really good, and I will definitely be coming back to Orbita soon. So this is Nick East from London, and this has been my testimonial from Orbita School in San Pedro, Guatemala.